Hi, Chris Haskell here, Tucson, Arizona. Watch this entire video because this is 5 videos put together. You're going to see a lot of beautiful snow, and at the end you're going to see the geoengineering right on top of the snow. Have a nice day. Here we are, December the 15th, Tucson, Arizona, or actually this is Mount Lemmon, Arizona, which is the Catalina Mountain Range, which is right up against Tucson. It's kind of beautiful because, believe it or not, next to a desert city at, what was it, 2,500 elevation, something like that. Right next to it is a mountain with 9,000 feet. And even right now they have the mountain road closed, but I'm a homeowner, so I had to give them a little pass. 15 cars in front of me and 20 more behind me. All got turned away at the base of the road, but no, the Ron toll car made it right through. No problem. Getting crazy. I think I'm going to get off video, but have a nice day. December 15th, 2012. Ginger! Come on! Come on, Ginger! Come on! Come on! You having fun? Oh, that's beautiful. Mount Lemmon, Arizona. Summer haven. Beautiful. And to end my video for the day of December the 16th, this is what we have: a beautiful, beautiful mountain with empty, huge cabins in them. Lots of huge cabins in them ever since the fire. Our property value had almost doubled at that point. Right after the fire in 2005, it dropped down to about half that value. Now what we have is simply a community that's a lot smaller and a whole bunch of cabins. Nobody even comes here in. There's nobody here. Have a nice day. Real News Tucson. There's my Ginger. And again, December 15th, excuse me, 16th, December 16th, 2012. And here we are, Mount Lemmon, Arizona. But look at this. Just got done with a storm, which allowed all this snow to drop. And look at this. We've got chemtrails right overhead. Very obvious geoengineering. God, so disgusting to see this. Well, there you go. What was beautiful could be looked at as a bad thing. Nice 2012 event that I had. Somebody took my sled today. Yeah, 2012, December 16th, day before my birthday. Put my sled on the side of the road for just 5 minutes and she's gone. First time ever here at Mount Lemmon. Have a nice day.